we're here with Kelly. Hello. So we're gonna just talk about what we're gonna do for her hair. So Kelly, you said you want to do a little bit of a change in terms of like you want something that's gonna be a little bit lower maintenance, right? And so what do you kind of want? Like, do you want something that you're not gonna have to come in as often?
Yes, so I want it to look the same kind of down here, but just so that the root is not as obvious so quickly, I guess, once it starts to grow out.
Right, definitely. Well, yeah, because you can definitely see where it's dark and where the line kind of starts, where you go super blonde. And so we have a couple different options. So what we could do is, because the last time what we did is we ended up adding more blonde. So you had more of your natural kind of throughout, and then we added more blonde, so you're like super blonde now on the ends. So the one option that we could do is that we can add a little bit back of your natural color back into your ends so that you look like you kind of have low lights. That's gonna help with it not looking like such a harsh line when it grows out. Or the other option is that we do a shadow root effect, and what that's gonna look like is we're gonna have actually like a rooted look where the blonde isn't gonna go all the way to your natural. And that way too, once it grows out, you're not really gonna see too much of a harsh line.
Okay.
Right, so, and the difference between the two of them is that when you have the rooted look, it depends, like some people like it and some people don't, because it does look like you have roots still, right?
Yeah.
But we break up the line so that it's a nice transition where you don't see this harsh line.
Okay. Let's go with the shadow root.
Okay. Yeah, because if we end up doing the shadow root, we can keep this as blonde as we want. We can keep this without this looking darker, basically.
Yeah, I like the blonde, so I think that's a good option for me.
Okay, sounds good. And then cut-wise, what do you want to do for cut? Because your hair is quite a bit longer now.
Yes, so I'm thinking I like to keep it long, but not quite this long. So I'm thinking like maybe just trim it up about here.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Yeah, get rid of kind of the length. This is all the COVID length that we've had grown in now, so you can see how long it's been since we've last done the color. So yeah, that's perfect. Let's do that. We'll do the shadow root. We'll bring it up. We'll bring the blonde up really high so that you'll still look very light, but yeah, you'll have the root there so that when it grows in, you're not going to have to worry about having to retouch it all the time.
Okay, that sounds great.
Have the hair all sectioned out. We're just going to do a simple 4-quadrant sectioning pattern. We're going to make sure that we are using her natural part where she always wears to separate the sections at the front. We are going to start foiling the hair in the front sections, and I'm going to choose the side that has more hair. The reason why I'm going to do that is because it's going to take longer to foil that section than the other section that has less hair. And we want to ensure that the processing time is fairly even. If I was to foil the smaller section first, it would be completed much quicker and would have a lot more processing time by the time I finish the thicker one. Starting on the bottom of the section and working our way up, I'm going to be using a combination of baby lights, so baby fine weaves and fine weaves. The reason why I'm going to choose to do this is because Kelly's hair is very fine itself. So if you choose too heavy of effect, it's going to look too chunky in her hair. So using a very blended effect is really going to allow us to have a diffused color from her root color to the blonde. So Kelly has a lot of baby hairs in here, and what she's been noticing is that there's a bit more kind of surfacing. So this hair tends to be a little bit more fragile all the time. So rather than foiling this now, it lifts out really quickly. I'm gonna foil the whole head and come back to this at the end, just so that we don't have lightener on it for very long. Here are all the foils applied. We're gonna quickly now go back into these baby hairs in the front that will take very little time to lighten and just put some foils in there.
Make sure you guys are going to check out our products at nvenn.com. We have organic sea kelp hair care. It is amazing natural hair care line that will make your hair feel softer, shinier, and healthier. So go check out our products and try them out in your hair. You'll love them. If you guys want to win free products, go to nvenn.com/giveaway. We give away a free product giveaway every single month. With the foils all applied now, we're going to move back and do the baby hairs in the front temples. We're going to go through and do very baby fine weaves in there just to add some lightness around the face there so that it's not too dark patches of her baby hair. On the other side of the head, we're going to make sure to mirror the foiling technique on both sides. That way the color looks symmetrical from left to right. We have taken out all the foils now. Her hair is ready to wash and tone. I'm going to tone with a 10P in the Matrix Color Sync, and I'll be back with it all finished.
There you guys have it. That's Kelly's hair all done. That's how we took her highlights to a shadowed root. Very great for your clients if they're looking for something to be a little bit lower maintenance so they don't have to worry too much about harsh lines when their blonde grows in. Right, this is a very nice transition from her root to her blondes. If you guys have any questions about it, leave a comment below. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Other than that, make sure you're hitting like, subscribe. We're putting out new videos every week, and go check out our products. You will love them. Show us some support at nvenn.com. We have organic sea kelp hair care that nourishes the hair from the inside out. So if you want healthier, stronger, softer, shinier hair, this is the product for you. If you guys want to win free products, go enter at nvenn.com/giveaway. We're doing free product giveaways every month, so you can enter to win. Also, check out our other site at $eyelashclub.com. We got vegan hand-tied lashes for as low as $1 a pair, and they are beautiful. I guess that's all for this week, guys. So then I'll see you guys next week. Bye.